Hi, I'm Taylor.
Hi, I'm Kelly.
And we're interns with the Hillsburg Chamber of Commerce.
Hi, my name is Emma and I'm interning at Morrison Winery.
Hi, I'm Spencer Wallace. I'm doing my internship here at Wine Country Group.
Hi, my name is Cody Koch and I work for Social Finance Incorporated.
My name is Kaylee Finucci and I'm doing my internship at SoFi.
Hi, I'm Trevor Cook. I'm interning at Olin Specialty Coffee.
Hi, my name is Abby Osborne and I'm interning here at Healdsburg District Hospital in the Subacute Care Unit.
Hi, I'm Brenly Senor and I'm interning at Olin.
Hi, my name is Brian. I'm here at Healdsburg District Hospital. I'm a part of 17 interns who are all very excited to be here.
Hi, my name is Malia and I'm interning at the Healdsburg District Hospital in the Emergency Room Department.
The internship program at the high school provides this great integration between the business community and the school district, like no other program that I've ever seen before. To have 150 juniors all out in the community working in businesses closes that gap. Business people understand what happens at school better, and I think students have a much better sense of what it's like to leave high school and go out and work. So it's the kind of integration I think is fundamental to schools. This year, the intern program won a Golden Bell Award. We were the only school in all of California to win a Golden Bell Award, which is sort of the Oscars for education. This is the only one in California in career technical education. That's a real feather in the cap of the staff here and the people behind this program. I think parents are looking for this. I think students are looking for it. I think our community has embraced the intern program because there's such a serious need to get students off the campus and into a business setting.
Hi, I'm Trevor Cook. I'm working at Olin Specialty Coffee. I'm here in the logistics department. I'm working on a chart of all the places Olin ships coffee to and receives coffee from all around the world. I'm working with Colleen Walsh. She is the director of the logistics department here. She's very fun to work with.
Hi, my name is Mike Downs. I'm the real estate broker for Wine Country Group Realtors here in Healdsburg. The reason I participate in the internship for the high school program, very simply, is the kids are our future, and I absolutely enjoy being around kids and sharing our industry with them, the real estate industry with them, and hopes that a couple of things that I say to them are stick in their minds and they can take it with them in the future, whatever they decide to do.
I think the program has benefited the community in numerous ways. First, obviously, our students have benefited tremendously as they expand their learning beyond the classroom walls and see what real life is all about and what it's like to have a job and a career and what the expectation of being a professional is. And then it's opened the doors of the school to the community. I think our community business partners feel like they have more inroads with the school. They're able to give us more advice on what they would like to see in potential employees, and it's really made the school, Healdsburg High School, feel like it's the Healdsburg community's school. So it's been a tremendous benefit to all.
My name is Scott Kiesig. I'm the service manager with McConnell Chevrolet, and we got into the intern program a couple years ago to help out local youth explore the possibilities of becoming mechanics. We're always looking for new talent, and it's a great program to let them see what it's like to be a real mechanic and work on real vehicles. We've actually hired out of the program. I know the students love doing it, and the technicians that they are shadowing love being their mentors while they're here, and we look forward to doing it for many years to come.
My mentor Mike has been a really great guy. We've had super hands-on experience learning everything about the business, from title companies to loans and just all the paperwork involved in the selling and buying of homes. He's taught us about all the misconceptions about real estate and what pretty much actually goes on. We've learned about the process to becoming an agent, all the tests that are involved, the fees, and he's also showed us about the online part of real estate now that has kind of taken over all the companies.
As the internship coordinator, I run the program from August to June, and even though the internships are only 6 days, there's a lot that goes into it before and after. I'm in charge of interviewing all 150 students, so I can sit down one-on-one and talk with them about what career they're interested in. And then I go out into the community and find mentors for them, so that takes quite a while. I also go to the classrooms and teach some soft skills lessons like how to write a resume, how to write a cover letter, and then I help the students prepare their presentations for when their internships are done. There's a big presentation night. So I'm working throughout the year with students, with businesses, with teachers, and kind of coordinating the whole program because it is quite large.
This is a unique community. It's small. There's a love of the place here, the integration of the business community and the school district. Because we're so small, it's very easy to do. Unlike larger communities like Santa Rosa or Petaluma, it's more difficult. It's more dispersed. And there's enough businesses here in Healdsburg to support 150 students all leaving at the same time. So I think we're in a unique situation there. We've also received support from the Education Foundation. Many communities in Sonoma County or Northern California don't have education foundations the way we do. So we've had the funding stream, we have the business community, we have the tight-knit culture in Healdsburg, and all of those pieces put together has made this happen. And I think it's fundamentally very sound and wise that we continue to support it.